welcome to Howard's in Dorchester. My name is Tessa and today I'm going to be going through this 2018 Peugeot 3008 Allure Automatic. It's currently done 2,541 miles with one previous keeper. It's got a 3D connected navigation system, DAB digital radio, Bluetooth telephone connected system, and it's fitted with speed limiter and cruise control. Watching this short video on the Peugeot 3008. If you'd like to come and look at it yourself, we're down in London Road in Dorchester and our contact number is 01305 266 066.